Hey guys, what's happening? How to buy and sell Luigi token. So, first of all, this video is not financial advice. Always trade with caution and do your own research before making any financial decisions. So, what you're gonna do next, go ahead and click the search bar at the top right. Okay, try to pin down Luigi, and as you can see, I've already searched for it before. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this coin. Now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit buy at the bottom of the right here, and then select the amount and pay with any of your token, right? You can pay using Solana, or you can pay using any other crypto in order to add, or excuse me, to hold to that coin, right? So you can hold this coin. Now, if you want to sell it, you can simply go or stay, in the Luigi Mangione token, and then hit swap, okay? And simply swap from, let me convert it right here, okay, just simple. You're paying Luigi to your USDC, right? So you can withdraw it to your bank account. So if you want to sell it, what you're gonna do, you could just go ahead and pay using Luigi to the USDC, right? Or the US dollar. That means you are now withdrawing, or transferring from a crypto asset to cash, and from there you can withdraw using the USDC, basically, right? And withdraw it to your bank account. Depends really on your on your region, but you can withdraw it using cash. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.